Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with 3 essentials: a Google account, the sheet you want to expose, and API access. First, enable the Google Sheets API in Cloud Console and create credentials. Choose OAuth for user-specific data or an API key for public reads. Once done, pick an integration approach: a simple iframe for display, Google Apps Script for light logic, or the Sheets REST API for full control. Make sure your Sheets sharing settings match that choice so your site can access it. Now implement the chosen method. If you use Apps Script, write do get to return JSON or HTML, deploy as a web app, and set access permissions, then call its URL from your site. If you use the Sheets API, implement OAuth on the server or client, obtain a token, then fetch ranges and parse the JSON response into your page. If you just need display, publish the sheet and embed the iframe. However, remember that iframe offers limited interaction and depends on sharing settings. Finish by wiring the data into your UI and securing access. Store secrets server-side when possible, restrict API keys by referrer or IP, and refresh OAuth tokens proactively. Once done, test across browsers and mobile and make sure Core's headers allow your domain. If the sheet fails to load, check sharing permissions, expired tokens, and API quota. These are the most common issues. As a tip, if calls fail, inspect network responses for 401 or 403.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.